Hey, our friends, today we're going to draw a fall spider.
And here's a preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end.
Yeah, and this one turned out really funny.
Yeah, yeah, it makes me laugh.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but the jacket with all the arms
Yeah, it looks
is
awesome.
the best.
Yeah.
For this lesson, we're using our pencil and eraser to draw the main shapes first. Then we're using our markers to draw the details and also add color.
Yeah, but you can use whatever you have at home.
Yeah. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's use our pencil to draw our spider's head. I'm going to draw a circle this big and towards the top so that we have room for the body below. Yeah. And the nice thing about using our pencil is you can really work on this step and get it just the way you want it before you move on to the next step.
Yeah.
And then you can just erase any extra lines you don't want to keep. You can also press lightly like that so it's easy to erase. I'm pressing harder so that it shows up on the camera a little more for our art friends.
Yeah.
Nice. Is that what you want to keep?
Yes.
It looks good. Okay, now let's draw the body. We're going to draw the letter U, kind of a short letter U, right underneath the circle. Yes, and I'm going to change mine so that it's not, let's try that again. Yes, more of a letter U instead of these little corners on the side.
Yeah.
Then we can erase the extra lines. And there we go. That's all we need our pencil for. Let's put that off to the side and switch to our marker. Our friends, you guys can keep using a pencil if you want. You don't have to switch. But let's add all of the cool stuff for our spider. Let's first draw our spider's fall hat, the little beanie. I'm going to draw a curve across the top. And then we can draw the side of the beanie coming up. I don't know, this one's going to make me laugh.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
We're going to connect the top. And then we're going to draw the top coming up higher for the rest of the beanie. And the little pom-pom on top. Now for our spider's head, I'm going to draw and trace over the pencil coming down to there. But I'm going to stop. I'm not going to keep going underneath or down here. Yeah. Then we're going to connect more straight across. I'm still adding a curve. This is for the scarf. Yeah. Okay. And then we're going to draw part of the scarf coming down. So let's draw it curving this way. I'm going to draw it curving. So two curves. Then we can draw that. I'm going to draw it right here first. And then we can draw the little pieces sticking out of the bottom. I'm going to draw these really tall letter U's or skinny letter U's. Yes, that looks awesome for the scarf. Okay, next let's draw the rest of the scarf. I'm going to draw it right here. And then we can, it kind of looks like we're drawing a snowman.
It does.
Then we're going to draw the bottom of the scarf going behind that little part that's sticking down. Yes. Okay, now let's draw our spider's first arm. We're going to draw it in a jacket too. So I'm going to draw it coming out, short line out on both sides. And then we can draw the sleeve down, and then I'm going to draw it coming back to the armpit, and then same thing over here. Now let's draw the little spider arm sticking out from the jacket. It's really long.
Yeah.
I don't think I meant to make it long.
Mine looks really long.
Yeah, well, the spiders do have long legs, so
Yeah.
it works out. Okay, next let's draw the jacket coming down from the armpits. And then let's draw also the jacket open. I'm going to draw two lines coming down, and they match the outside. Or we could actually come down just past the outside lines. Yes, and you could have those come down further since I'm looking at these outside, so you could go past. That way when we connect, we can kind of curve down and up over here. Okay, I'm going to change my spider's body just a little since it's not sticking out past the jacket. So let's start here, and I'm going to draw a curve that kind of follows the pencil line. Yeah, and I stopped here.
Oh.
That's okay. That's a good spot. Then we're going to draw the first leg. I'm going to draw it curving down like this. And then I'm going to draw another line next to it that matches. And then let's draw the foot. We're going to draw it curving around and over to the other side. Yes, and then right here, we're going to draw the rest of the body coming up into the jacket. Okay, let's draw the other foot like he's walking. We're going to draw 2 lines that are the same distance apart to match this leg. And then we can draw the foot curving around to the other side. Okay.
It looks like a person right now.
Yeah, it looks like a person. Let's change it into a spider with more legs. So we could draw more jacket sleeves. I'm going to draw a little rectangle shape coming out to the side here and also here. And then we're going to draw this leg coming out and down. We can match over here. Then we're going to curve around and then back into the sleeve. That's looking really weird.
Yeah.
Okay, now we need one more sleeve because we have the 2 legs down here. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then this is going to be the 4th leg. And we'll add another sleeve over here. And then we could draw the spider leg sticking out of the sleeve and bending down. And this is the inside, so remember to curve around and then come back. Yeah. I'm drawing the top of the leg, but you drew the bottom, which is okay. You just remember to, when you curve around, you want to curve back into the sleeve.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, now we need to draw the face. And we're going to draw kind of a spooky face too. So let's draw the big smile because it's also a friendly spooky spider.
Yeah.
And then we're going to draw it open so we can draw the sharp teeth inside. Let's draw 1 sharp tooth. We're going to draw a letter V, a big one, and 1 on the other side. And then 2 small ones in between. Then we could also draw a tongue in the bottom. And then let's color the back of the spider's mouth, so in between the teeth and also the tongue. Now we need to add the eyes, and spiders have a lot of eyes. So let's first draw 2 circles this size. Then we're gonna draw a big, oh yeah, keep
It's
going.
like a vampire.
Yeah, and then we're gonna draw a bigger eye right in the middle. And let's draw a smaller one right here on each side.
Why does he look like that right now? Now it looks more like a spider.
Yeah, now we got our spider. And then I'm gonna draw another big one, a big circle over here for the last eye. It's so gross. Okay, we did it. Except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part we'll fast forward, but remember to pause the video and color your drawings. Now, one last thing before we color it, we need to switch to our eraser and erase all of the pencil lines we can still see.
Okay.
All right, we did it. We finished coloring our fall spiders and they turned out awesome, especially like the red eyes.
Yeah, they look so cool.
And I also added a little pocket right here, but I think he needs more than 2 pockets.
Oh, yeah.
More like 6.
Oh, I get it.
Sorry, this is a bad joke. You guys can pause the video to match our same coloring or change the colors any way you want.
You could also add a background.
Yeah, more friends. You could add trees too, and maybe some spider webs.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and some pumpkins.
And some bats. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a funny fall spider.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.